Spring is almost here, at least in the meteorological calendar. Spring starts on the 1st of March. That's this coming Saturday. And before that, we do have something a bit spring-like weather-wise through this week. At the moment, as we go through Monday night into Tuesday, not a huge amount going on if we look at the bigger picture, but there is an occluded front pushing into parts of the northwest for Tuesday morning, and it's here that we're going to see some fairly frequent showers from the start on Tuesday. Further south and east, a drier, brighter picture, but as we go through the day, the showers are going to become fairly widespread. Most places at risk of seeing a few showers coming through, though towards the southeast, a greater chance of staying dry. There'll be some decent sunny spells in between the showers, but worth noting, some of the showers could be a little bit on the heavy side. There could even be a bit of hail, a bit of thunder mixed in, especially towards the northwest, and over the hills, the mountains of Scotland, some sleet or snow is possible too. That being said, temperatures are around or a little bit above average for the time of year. Towards the south, many places getting into double digits, further north, highs in the high single figures at best. Now later on, as we go through Tuesday evening and overnight, most of the showers are going to die out and clear away. There will be some clear skies, so a chilly start to the night for many, staying quite chilly towards the east. But further west, we have the cloud building, the wind strengthening, as we have some wet weather feeding its way in. Do watch out, there could be some murkiness, some mist and fog across eastern parts first thing, but this should clear as we go through the morning because of the unsettled weather that's sweeping its way eastwards. The rain could be a bit heavy, a bit thundery at times as it pushes its way across the UK, and some hill snow over parts of northern England and Scotland is quite likely as well. Ahead of the rain and also behind it, I am expecting some breaks in the clouds, so some glimmers of sunshine, but there will also be some fairly frequent showers following in behind the front as well. Notice the temperatures down a degree or so compared to Tuesday, highs just about scraping into double digits towards the south. Now that system on Wednesday is likely to clear away towards the east and southeast, with something a bit drier following in behind, a ridge of high pressure building quietening the weather down, but it's no guarantee that that rain does clear away. Some models want that rain to linger across southern southwestern parts as we go into Thursday. It could bring some heavy rain across parts of the southwest, even South Wales as well. Not expecting that to happen. Most likely is it does clear away, and then actually with that ridge of high pressure building, Thursday is set to be a largely dry day for many of us. There'll be a decent amount of sunshine for a while, perhaps a bit more cloud bubbling up as we go into the afternoon, and there will be some showers, particularly across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland perhaps, and one or two for England and Wales. But on the whole, Thursday actually looks like a largely fine day, most likely at least. Temperatures again, high single figures towards the north, just about scraping into double figures towards the south, so what you'd expect for this time of year. Do be aware there will still be some brisk winds towards the east, lighter winds further west. As we go overnight Thursday into Friday, high pressure continues to build, and with high pressure we get generally calm weather with some clear skies, calm weather. As we go overnight into Friday, it is going to turn quite chilly. Now Friday is the last day of meteorological winter, but there's still some cold around, so I am expecting quite a bit of frost first thing on Friday morning, even some pockets of fog and freezing fog as well, and some of these could take a little while to clear. Otherwise, as we go through Friday, again a largely fine day, plenty of sunshine on offer once any of that early mist fog clears away. Towards the northwest, a bit cloudier, there is a front trying to push its way in, so the wind's picking up towards the northwest as well. Otherwise, not feeling too bad. Temperatures again around average, highs of 10 towards the south of the UK, perhaps 11 Celsius. Some decent sunshine on offer, and so not feeling too bad at all. Later on then, as we go into the weekend, and this front towards the northwest gradually makes its way southeastwards, the high pressure towards the southeast stopping it from moving particularly quickly, but I am expecting a spell of rain to push its way southeastwards as we go through Saturday. There is then another area of low pressure waiting out towards Iceland, with various other low pressure coming in as well as we go through into Sunday, and so that means, yes, Saturday a spell of rain pushing its way southeastwards, but there will be some decent fine weather away from this on the first day of meteorological spring, and then through Sunday with that low pressure towards Iceland, some more wet and windy weather is quite likely towards the northwest. That rain could be a bit heavy at times, but towards the southeast, likely to avoid this, and so it should stay mostly dry. But if you want to find out exactly what's going to happen as we go through this week, well, make sure you stay up to date with our forecasts across our YouTube channel, our app, and our website. Bye-bye.